There's nothing quite like peeking into a mesmerizing underwater world while snorkeling. Diving beneath the waves to discover the wonders of sea life below is an unforgettable experience, but still you'll only be able to enjoy your underwater adventure fully if you have a great snorkeling set. There are many products available to choose snorkel sets, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best snorkel sets from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. US Divers Adult Cozumel Mask. Comfort is key when it comes to underwater exploration. This ergonomically designed snorkel set is made with dual material construction that gives you a flexible, secure, and customizable fit. The Cozumel snorkel set includes a unisex adult mask, snorkel, dual fins, and travel bag. Spotted some fascinating sea life way below the surface. The versatile US Divers Cozumel snorkel set lets you dive down deep to take a peek. Its semi-dry snorkel top and innovative vented fin blades are perfectly suited to snorkeling below the surface and scuba diving alike. Semi-dry snorkel with hydro-adhesion technology and splash guard. 3-way adjustable mask buckles. Pro Flex closed heel fins. Compact design for travel. The original snorkeling brand. Whether you are traveling the world, discovering your local beaches, or playing in the backyard pool with your kids, US Divers makes products for all your water adventures. Go out and create your own water exploration memories. 3 Pro Glide mask buckles allow for incredible adjustment to achieve a tight seal. The vented fin blades provide superior energy transfer in the water. Fin pockets have a super soft closed heel for a snug and comfortable fit. Its durable design makes this a robust set for traveling. Number 2. CV100 8-eyed Crad and Dry Snorkel Set. Pack your bags for your most streamlined snorkel trip ever with the CV100 8-eyed Crad and Mask Snorkel Set. This travel-friendly collapsible snorkel twists off into 2 parts to save suitcase space, then reassembles quickly at the water's edge. Take in uninterrupted views with the panoramic lens and enjoy all-day comfort thanks to the soft silicone bite valve that eliminates jaw fatigue. Tempered glass single lens mask. Dry snorkel with buoy valve top. Comfort bite valve. Flexible tube. Our snorkeling gear for adults is made of a PC frame and uses sea-certified anti-fog tempered glass for ultimate eye protection and visibility. An anti-leak premium silicone face skirt, strap, and comfort bite valve ensure all-day comfort. The adjustable strap uses a push-button auto-lock system so the mask stays in place while enjoying the underwater views. Finally, our snorkel uses a height-adjustable goggle clip to ensure a perfect fit for all face shapes. The single tempered glass lens provides an epic 108-eyed field of pristine vision. The snorkel tube breaks down into 2 pieces for easy travel with a split-lock collapsible joint, saving luggage space. It's equipped with a dry top valve and a splash guard to protect against waves crashing overhead. The silicone bite valve is super comfortable and prevents jaw fatigue. Number 3. PRODIVE Premium Dry Top Snorkel Set. For ergonomic features without the luxury price tag, look no further than the PRODIVE Premium Snorkel Set. Packed with professional details like fog-resistant goggles, a waterproof carry bag, and a very good snorkel with a dry top, you'll be hard-pressed to find a more well-rounded starter set. Impact-resistant tempered glass lenses. Dry top snorkel. Anti-fog mask. Flexible tube. Tough glass lenses for shatter-proof confidence. Reasonably priced for the whole family. Beautiful clarity allows crisp vision underwater. Available in 6 colors. Tempered glass lens is impact-resistant. Safety comes first. Not even the hardest knock from the sharpest or heaviest object can crack or break the lens in this full-face snorkel mask. The soft, ribbed silicone face seal molds to fit the faces of most children, youth and juniors. Soft silicone straps can be adjusted for a perfect fit and a watertight seal. Number 4. US Divers Admiral LX. When your snorkeling hobby gets serious, the US Divers Admiral Snorkel Set effortlessly takes you to new places for hours on end. Versatile enough to double up as dive gear, the incredible seal on the dive mask handles the pressure of diving deep without springing a leak. Paired with its patented pivot dry snorkel and foot fins designed for power, this snorkel set means business. Pro Glide mask buckles for custom fit. Completely submersible dry top snorkel with pivot dry technology. Comfortable and lightweight open heel fins. Contoured ergonomic barrel. Comes with an amazing gear bag loaded with mesh pockets for storing other small items. Comfortable silicone mouthpiece. Vented fin blades deliver a powerful kick while eliminating ankle fatigue. Mask fits without leaks, even on snorkelers with facial hair. Contoured barrel is ergonomically shaped for correct positioning and comfort. Number 5. Mask Fin Snorkel Set Snorkeling Gear. For a full-face snorkel set that won't fog up, Cozy design brings a breath of fresh air. With its huge panoramic window panel and integrated GoPro mount, you'll enjoy jaw-dropping views while capturing all the action. Without the hassle of a traditional mouthpiece, this snorkel set provides a truly relaxing An immersive snorkeling experience for beginners and experts alike. Full-face snorkel mask. Anti-leak design. Panoramic mask with stunning 108 vision. Open heel fins with click and pull strap system. Dry snorkel top and full-face snorkel mask ideal for beginners. Separate inhale and exhale chambers prevent fogging. Snap-on camera mount allows you to capture all the action on your GoPro. The extra long tube folds down for easy storage and travel. The longer, lighter and responsive blade ensures smooth, easy and powerful kicks. Trek fins with open heels and adjustable straps, and foot pocket and straps are made of long-lasting rubber for comfort. Blades provide excellent thrust of moderate kicking power, good for snorkeling or diving adventures. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.